everyone, welcome to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur your background on Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to help limit distractions or make video calls more fun, you can add blur to your background or replace your background with an image. Start by opening up your web browser and log into your Google Meet account. Now quickly go ahead and start a new meeting. Let me just click on this new meeting and click on start an instant meeting. Now soon after you do that, you can see that the camera screen is being displayed on the screen right now. At the bottom of the page, simply click on the three dots, which will bring up an expanded menu. Click on change background option. And at the right hand corner of the screen you should see lots of background options that are available for your Google Meeting. At the very top you should see two options displayed. If you'd like to slightly blur your background, then click on this button right here. As you can see that the background has been slightly blurred out. To entirely blur your background, click on this other option. You should see that the background has been completely blurred right away. Remember that changing your background will slow down your device, so you might want to change this feature off to allow other apps to run faster on your computer. That is how you'll be able to blur your background during a meeting on Google Meet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.